Hello everyone and welcome back to another DIY Squaredrop camper build video. This is episode 23 and this is my electronics episode. You've seen in a couple other episodes me putting in some things, when things had to go in stuff like in the hatch. I showed all the wiring for that and all that, but in this one I will be showing you the installation of the fan on top, which is going on right now, the side lights, the under trailer lights, the hatch lights, and then give you a lighting tour by the end of the video. So this was us putting on the fan. We did the butyl tape underneath in the ring, screwed it all down, and now I'm using a Dremel to cut out the insert that slides up into the fan so that it looks nice. It's a trim ring. I noticed that the Dremel actually melted the plastic that was going up, so that was me having to sand it off manually. And then here I'm doing it for the wires because the wire placement was not ideal for me, so they actually are showing when the fan is up and installed, and that's fine. It's not really a big deal, but in the future I would have definitely adjusted to get that figured out ahead of time. So poor planning. But yeah, I had to take off and make some adjustments to that front piece of wood that's holding in my other lights, my indoor lights, which you'll see on later in the video. And this is us turning everything on. The lights turn on, the fan beeped. You can't hear it. We're listening to music in the background, so YouTube would be not happy with us if I was actually showing you this. But there you go. You can see the fan turning on. That's my buddy Garrett doing the honors. He helped me a ton that day. Very thankful for his help. And then this is the side lights. So I had to build a little box, which I didn't show anywhere, on the side of the camper. I fiberglassed it and put it in there with all the wires because there's a lot of wires behind here since it's tied to a switch. You can see I put butyl tape underneath and screwed it in, and we go to test it. Boom, they work. Really happy with that. This was the second one I did. I'd already done the other side, but really happy that these turned out just like I wanted them, with a switch inside. So if we hear something, we can turn on the switch and look out there and see what the heck's going on. There's also a chrome cover that goes on these. You'll see that in future videos once everything's all finished, but I figured I'd keep those off for now. So here, this is very scary. I'm drilling a hole right through the bottom of my camper, and that is so I can send down the cables from my hatch, and those cables are attached to the reverse light on the back. I haven't shown it actually on yet because I only just tested it a couple days ago, but I need to record it. So I'm sending down those wires, and I'm also sending up my wires that go down to my LED stripping that goes underneath the camper. And this is me testing those LEDs with a separate battery that I have, and you can see they're blinking and turning on. Really happy with how that turned out. So those came up, and the wires for my reverse light went down to those lights you can see on either side of the camper in the back. I didn't do a video on that just because I was underneath the whole time, and recording with 2 feet of clearance, and I'm a big dude, is just not really feasible. So there's no video going to be on that, but you'll see it working once I get that video out. So then these are the hatch lights, which were in the hatch video, but I left them hanging so I could do the finishing on the bottom of the hatch. So I got those installed, and then here's our little light tour. Remember, if you like what you see and you want to see upcoming videos, please like the video, subscribe, and we're coming to a close here. It's only a couple more weeks until this is done. I have a lot of video to release. I've got the last of my doors, getting those on and installed. We'll have a video of me priming everything. We've got some additional hatch trim. You might have seen it earlier in the video. I did the trim. So there's going to be a trim video. There's a lot coming up. And then 2 weeks from when this is released is when the mural will be being painted on it. And I'll be having Sean, who's doing the mural, to make sure he's using the GoPro to record everything he's painting so I can do a cool time lapse. So stay tuned for that. Once again, make sure you subscribe, and you can see all the lights. Really happy with how everything turned out. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.